Hey guys, Harsh here and welcome back to Technolobe. As you can see, we are in a very different environment today. That's because we are at the physical launch of Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus 5G and Redmi Note 11 Pro. Like a physical launch, offline launch is happening after a very long time. In fact, after a couple of years, and all of us are very excited. That's why we are making this impromptu video. I wanted to give my raw impressions about this smartphone. That's why I'm shooting it here itself. I did not wait to go to the studio and then shoot it. I'm shooting it here itself. So yeah, sit back, relax and enjoy this video. Now before we start this video, a huge shout out to Sharukh bhai and Somashekar bhai for helping me with this video. These guys were behind the camera and they did a fantastic job. I will link their channels in the description box below, so definitely go ahead and subscribe to them. That is, very important. So yeah, thank you guys. So as you guys can see, this is the Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus 5G. So this time around, there is no Redmi Note 11 Pro Max. It is the Pro Plus 5G. Now if you turn around the box over here, there are some specifications written on the back. First up, it comes with a Snapdragon 695 processor. Then it has a 120Hz Super AMOLED display with a full HD Plus resolution. It has 67 watt fast charging with a 5000 mAh battery. It also comes with a 108 megapixel AI triple camera. I've got the Mirage blue color over here with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. Let's go ahead and open up the box, shall we? Alright, here we go. First up inside is a sleeve. It's written powered by Redmi over here. Once I open it up, there is a SIM card ejector tool over here. Then we have some paperwork, which is always boring. And finally, we have a clear transparent case. So pretty standard stuff inside the sleeve. We'll keep this aside for a moment. Next up is the smartphone itself. I'm going to keep it aside for a moment and let's see what else do we get inside the box. Now here we have a 67 watt fast charger. So yes, you do get the 67 watt fast charger inside the box itself. Finally, we have the USB Type-C cable, and yeah, that's pretty much about it for the box contents. Let me keep everything inside and we'll get back to the smartphone. Now first up, let's go ahead and remove the plastic because that is very important. Next up is the IMEI sticker. This time around, Xiaomi has flat edges just like the Redmi Note 11, and yeah, I do like this design language over here. It feels like a premium smartphone and it is entering that premium segment because this smartphone is expected to launch above 20,000 rupees. So yeah, it is entering that premium market and does give you that premium feel as well. I really like this color as well, like the Mirage blue color looks really awesome. Now let me quickly go ahead and switch on this smartphone. While it switches on, let me put on the case as well. Alright, the case fits on pretty snugly, no issues over here, and it does give you a good grip as well. Now this smartphone comes with MIUI 13 out of the box. Let me quickly set it up and we'll see the Android version as well. Also, if you're liking this video, then a subscribe to the channel would be Pro Plus. It is now time to set up the fingerprint sensor. It comes with a physical fingerprint sensor on the power button, and let's go ahead and set it up. Alright, so the setup has been done. We'll quickly go into settings and check the Android version. Settings, about phone, and Android version is Android 11. So that is kind of disappointing that this smartphone does not come with Android 12 out of the box. Xiaomi said that the update will come soon, but they have not given a specific date. Now if we talk about the cameras, on the right side there is a triple camera setup, a 108 megapixel primary camera, then an 8 megapixel ultra wide angle camera, and finally the beloved 2 megapixel macro camera. And on the front side of things, there's a 16 megapixel selfie camera. Here are some sample shots with this smartphone. Now you guys let me know about the sample shots. What do you feel about the photos from the main camera, the ultra wide angle camera, and also the selfie camera? I'm going to leave it up to you guys this time around because it's a very raw video. So you guys let me know what do you think about the camera samples. Now overall, I'm going to say Xiaomi has done a very good job with this smartphone. Some people might be worried about Snapdragon 695. On paper, it is a 600 series chipset, but trust me, it's a very good one and I'm really excited to try out Snapdragon 695 on this smartphone. Xiaomi has always been very good with the Redmi Note series, and this time I think Xiaomi has done the same thing over here. I really like this smartphone and my first impressions are positive about the Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus 5G. Now I am going to test this device for the next couple of weeks and I will make my future videos, so make sure you stay tuned for that. So anyway, that's been it. That was my unboxing and super quick impressions about the Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus 5G. Do let me know how you feel about this video in the comment section down below. If you like this content, go ahead and hit that like button. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. It would mean the world to me. My name is Harsh Punjabi and I'll see you guys in the next one.